Hello everyone. You will learn how to column wider in Excel chart. So let's start this in my Excel, and you can see here the two chart. In first chart you can see the default column width, and in second chart you can see the column wider showing. Okay, so let's see how it's done. So first insert chart, select the data, go to the insert tab. In charts group, I select here the column charts. I select here the second charts, and you can see after the insert chart, the select the column. When you select on the column, you can see here the corner side is selection showing. Okay. So right click on the mouse and click on the format data series. And here in third option, the series options, okay, have a gap width option. Okay. When I decrease this gap width, you can see the changes over here. The column width is increasing. Okay, when I increase it, see the changes. Okay, so you can drag this gap with the mouse and set accordingly those you want width. So I just set here, and you can just click on this drop down arrow and you can increase and decrease the gap width. Okay, you can enter the value manually also. Okay, and you can set it. Okay, so this is a way you can increase the column wider in Excel charts. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe.